This is a simple file that scares the user. But with the correct commands, you can delete the operating system or delete file with a specific extension. It's only looking for the files on the system and show in the screen to the user. But with some simple lines, we can delete everything, or folders, or files by default. Here are four are commented. In this case, this script going to shut down the computer. The final part of this video I'm going to record it by the cell phone because the computer going to shut off the shutdown. Here is the file. It's a PowerShell script. Then we are going to double click. Your system has a virus. This is a test for activation. This is the information here. System has a virus. This is a test for activation. Okay, scanning files. We can delete all the files this list. This is only a test. Okay. Your system can recover the files. This is the message box.